In today's seminar, we'll be discussing about awareness on general mental health and about mental health during COVID-19, effects on people and different scales of industries during COVID-19 pandemic, various issues on general mental health and mental health issues during COVID-19 pandemic, coping strategies for people witnessing COVID-19 around them. While accomplishing all this, we are also going to set a record for the longest seminar online for 12 hours on mental health during COVID-19. Let us start our seminar with lighting the lamp, followed by slokam.
Shubham karoti kalyanam आरोग्यं धन संपदः शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Now, I request everyone to stand up for our national song of India, Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shyaamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhra Jyotsna पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्. Thank you, Lavanya.
Thank you, Ushasri. Now I request everyone to take your seats. Before we get into the seminar, let us take few minutes to cherish the special day of Mano Jagrati. Mano Jagrati successfully completed 8 years of service track record and is working tirelessly to create mental health awareness and prevent mental illness. Mano Jagrati is a group of more than 250 plus dedicated skilled psychologists and mental health professionals. It is established with a vision to spread positive mental health awareness and prevention of mental health issues. Mano Jagrati always stood first in creating awareness on mental health through various workshops and trainings that are easily accessible for everyone and is always having a mission of helping people to help themselves through group and individual counseling. Mano Jagrati is working with government, non-government, educational department, social welfare, tribal welfare, Gurukulams, NYK, police department, she teams, corporate companies, engineering colleges, and national level NGOs. Sudisha Counseling Center is a unit of Mano Jagrati. It is a group of mental health professionals working under the guidance of Dr. Geeta Chellagaru, counseling psychologist, founder of Mano Jagrati, and General Secretary Dr. G. Dayanand Garu. It also runs with the support of Senior Advisory Team, Dr. Niranjan Reddy K, Clinical Psychologist, Dr. Venkata Subbaya, Clinical Psychologist, Dr. V. George Reddy, Psychiatrist, Dr. Shekhar Reddy, Psychiatrist, and Radhika Acharya, Clinical Psychologist, Counselors Team, and Technical Support Team. At Sudisha Counseling Center, we provide counseling and training services. And today, we also have our guests of honor, Srimati Sumati IPS DIG CID Women's Protection Cell, Dr. Niranjan Reddy K, Clinical Psychologist, Dr. V. George Reddy, Psychiatrist, Dr. Anil K. Reddy, Psychiatrist, Dr. Venkata Subbaya, Clinical Psychologist, Dr. Shekhar Reddy, Psychiatrist, Dr. Radhika Acharya, Clinical Psychologist, Dr. Swati, HOD Psychology Department in Osmania University. Manojagriti's achievements since 2012. We reached 16 lakh people through groups and individuals. We created India Book of Records by conducting largest mass counseling and psychological first aid to 625 orphans at Victoria Memorial Home, Sarur Nagar, Hyderabad on 10th of October 2018. We also created Asia Book of Records in largest mental health peer counseling session for women in BVRIT Nizampet, Hyderabad on 7th of March 2019 to 1,050 students on the eve of International Women's Day. We created India Book of Records by conducting maximum parents council on positive parenting for 200 parents. Manojagriti record was selected as top 20 records in 2020. The current COVID-19 pandemic gave a pause to normal lifestyle, but not to Manojagriti's journey. Manojagriti strongly believed on the vision and mission. We are growing and extending our hands as we always do. Manojagriti identified the current mental health issues during pandemic time and took initiative in addressing them in their own unique way. Balamitra Stories, which is a 42-day program for children for personality development, webinar for visually challenged employees, safety measures of corona during rainy season. Manojagriti also developed a set of series of video lectures for parents of social welfare students, ABCD for safety of girls, Let's Just Listen webinar was conducted, Sanjeevani Value Wallet and Skills Tool Kit for children, monthly free mental health awareness workshops where there are more than 500 participants, positive parenting for more than 250 parents, psychological first aid for suicide prevention, and many more. All this can be possible only when there is a proper leader who gives the strength and drives us to fulfill the mission and vision of Manojagriti. I'm honored to talk about Dr. Geeta Chella, a psychologist, a dedicated counselor, a committed individual, author, and founder, chairperson of Manojagriti Foundation. Dr. Geeta Chella pursued her master's in psychology, master of social work, master's in child development, PhD, and many other courses. She attended various conferences and trainings, both at national and international forums. Dr. Geeta Chella, to her credit, has impacted direct and indirect training to more than 25 lakh people, comprising high school students, unemployed youth, teachers, headmasters, police personnel, and engineers. Personally, she takes the privilege and honor of being guided and appreciated by People's President, Missiles Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Garu, as Director Training Lead India 2020, and many such eminent personalities. Awards achieved by Dr. Geeta Chella are Karmabir Chakra Puraskar Award, International Stress Counseling Award, Student Legacy Award from Canada, Young Gerontologist Award from India to Malta, Young Scientist for Congress, Brazil, Mahila Ratna. Her deterministic attitude, commitment to work, passion to reach, and most importantly, her charismatic smile are few of her personality traits that keeps Dr. Geeta Chella work for 18 hours a day and to balance her multiple roles. Dr. Geeta Chella is always ahead in creating records and taking initiatives which serves the society. And today, we have Dr. Geeta Chella who represents Mano Jagrati here to set another record on longest seminar online mental health during COVID-19. And yes, the most awaited moment for today's record has come now. The actual session for the record will start from now. Are you all excited? Let us start countdown from 10 to start our record. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Over to Geeta, madam. Madam, you're on mute.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We'll be starting the actual record at 7 a.m. So can we have a video about Mano Jagrati?
Sure.
And one of your help to
Sure.
have a look at Mano Jagrati. Yes, Lavanya. Thank you so much. Anyway, we'll have the introductions and then we'll get to the actual event. Good morning. Namaste. Namaskaram. Today, the dream day of Mano Jagrati, 8th Foundation Day, World Mental Health Day, and this a noble gesture to create awareness on mental health across India for nation building. Today we are all sitting here to set a record about longest seminar online, mental health during COVID-19. Before I start, I would like to thank the Almighty, and also I just pray the Almighty to give me that power, that strength to complete this a noble gesture, this longest seminar online without any hurdles. Then I want to thank my parents, my mother, Challa Rama Devi, my father, Challa Sri Ramulu, who gave me birth, who made me Geeta, and whatever I am today because of them. And then I want to start thanking my husband, G. Dayanand Garu, and my kids Kiran and Varun, without whom, again, my journey of my this profession would have not been proper. And last but not least, my Mano Jagriti team. That is my strength. That is my willpower. Those are people who are there always with me. They will be with me. Thank you all. To begin with, I just want to tell you that today's event, whatever is happening today, this is happening because Mano Jagriti wanted to give back to the society. We want to show that our response to COVID-19, we want to show that this pandemic, whatever effect it is having on all of us, we are ready to face it. The hope doesn't mean that everything will go all right. The hope is whatever will happen, whatever the change happens, we are ready to face it. That's why we are all today to tell or to show people that COVID-19 is there, but still we are here to face it.